If you're an affiliate marketer and you want to learn how to start generating big ticket commissions online, I want to share with you something in this video. So first off, I want to share with you some Facebook messages that I received. So you can see right here, this person sent me a message on Facebook. They said, "Hey Garrett, I just have to say thank you again. I've tried so many of these opportunities, but I've already gotten my first 2 sales this week." Okay, so this guy plugged into our team and he was already able to generate his first 2 sales. Now these sales are big ticket sales, okay, up to $2,000, which he was able to generate. You can see right here, "Hey Garrett, just want to say your training works," okay? I say, "Happy to hear that." And then she says, "I did exactly what's in the training and I already have 5 people saying they're joining on Friday. Not to mention I made my first sale," she meant to say sale, "yesterday." Okay, and again, these are big ticket sales. So how is she doing this? How are we doing this? Is what I want to share with you inside of this video, okay? Because maybe you believed up until this point that you can only promote products that pay you, $30, $50, maybe $100. I want to ask you a question. Are you ready to stop trying to go uphill, right? Stop trying to fight the current, because if you really want to create amazing income in your life, the easiest and fastest way to do it is to simply promote a product that's going to pay you a lot more per commission. If you have an income goal of, let's say, $10,000 a month, and I use this example a lot, maybe you've heard me say this before, if you're going out there promoting products and they only pay you, $50, you need a large massive group of people every single month joining you just to even get close to that 10K per month goal. But if you're promoting a product like myself and my team that pays you $2,000 commissions, for example, you only need 5 referrals a month to hit that goal. Now, the cool thing with the results that you saw in the beginning of this video with those people, my teammates, we're using free traffic, okay? So you're not having to invest into traffic. What's been working best for our team is just posting on social media for free. Places like Facebook, places like Instagram. So how are we doing this? Well, if you go out there and you try to make these high ticket sales, you need a lot of things in place typically, right? You need a high converting funnel because most people won't buy right away. So you need to capture their contact information and follow up. You need to have pre-written emails that will follow up with your leads that are doing a good job at overcoming objections, getting people to know, like, and trust you. You need to usually offer bonuses, okay, to get people to want to take action in a quick time period. So there's a lot that can go into it. And that's why people have been really partnering with our team, because we really give you all that done for you, right? We give you the bonuses that you can just use ready to go in your own business. We have pre-written follow-up emails that are designed to get people to go back to the sales page and make a buying decision. We have a very high converting funnel and sales video that gets most people to join at the $2,000 level inside of the affiliate program we're promoting. So we really wanted to do all this for the person out there that maybe this is your first time, right? Maybe you're brand new to affiliate marketing. You don't know how to do all this stuff and you just want to come in and start to create results as easy and as fast as possible. That's really why our team has been expanding so quickly. Maybe you've seen a lot of the buzz around what we've been doing lately. And it's all because we're actually giving people the resources to not have to worry about doing all that. The only thing you have to do is drive traffic. Okay, so you get the link, which has all that other stuff built in, the bonuses, the emails, and all you have to do is drive traffic. And like I said, most of our team that's getting the best results are just doing free traffic. So again, it's really, really powerful. And you don't need a lot of referrals per month. I mean, even one every 4 or 5 days is gonna allow you to hit that $10,000 a month goal if that is your goal. So there's 3 simple steps I want you to follow if you're watching this, if you're interested. And again, it doesn't matter your background level, right? Driving traffic is very simple. And with our team specifically, I'm actually giving you my own videos that you can upload on a YouTube channel. If you don't have one, you can create one that will start getting you traffic to your link, okay? So not only do we offer resources, but we even give you an ability to earn free organic traffic out of the gate, okay? So it's really, really powerful. Step one is I want you to click the link under this video. And then once you do that, on that page, I want you to watch the full overview video. It's gonna break down much more information on this affiliate program. It's gonna break down exactly how to join our team and even the bonuses you'll access when you get started. Step two is I want you to choose a package to join at. Now, the Vertex Live level, as you'll see, is gonna be ideally the best package to join, because not only do you get all the bonuses I mentioned, but you'll even get 200 clicks of top tier traffic, paid traffic, going to your funnel link. So when you join, you'll send your funnel link to myself if you join through me, or one of my teammates, whoever you join through, and they'll start sending paid traffic to your link. So it's really powerful. And then number three is, again, start sending traffic. And you can either use our videos to post, you can use those 200 clicks of traffic when you join at the Vertex Live level. There's a lot of different resources, okay? So, excuse me. Go down below right now, follow that process, watch that video, and I really think you're gonna be blown away by the results you start to get with high ticket affiliate marketing.